Good morning, boys, and welcome back to the literacy class. Today, we go back to our jolly phonics sounds. So far, we have covered 3 sounds. First, we looked at S. What was the other sound we looked at? Very good. Then we looked at A, A, A. And finally, we looked at the sound T. Very good, boys. Give yourselves a big clap. Today we are going to move on to the sound E. What sound? E. Very good. Let us sing the song for the sound E. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. Let's try that one more time, boys. Everybody. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. Very good, boys. Now we are going to look at some words that begin with the sound E. Very good. What sound? E. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. Alright, so we are going to look at some words that begin with what sound? E. The first one we have is this is an iguana. Very good. Say iguana. Very good. And what is the first sound you hear in the word iguana? E. Very good. Next one we have ink. We have ink. The first sound we hear is E. Let's look at the other picture. It shows somebody who is ill. It shows somebody who is ill. And what's the first sound you hear in the word ill? E. Now what is another word for ill is sick. Let's move on to the next picture. This is an igloo. Very good. Repeat that. Very good. Igloo. And what's the first sound you hear in igloo? E. Excellent. The next picture shows an insect. Say insect. Great job. And the first sound in insect is E. Let's move on to the final picture. It shows an in. It shows an in. And what is the first sound you hear in the word in? E. Now, boys, an inn is like a small hotel. Let's now look at some more examples of words that begin with the sound E. Here we have a picture of an infant and a picture of an egg. A picture of an infant and a picture of an egg. Very good. Which one begins with the sound E? Is it egg? No, it is not egg. The first sound in egg is E. So the answer is infant. Very good. The answer is infant because infant begins with the sound E. Excellent. And the next example, we have a car and we have a rabbit inside the box. So we have car and we have a picture showing inside. Which one begins with the sound E? Is it car? No, it is not car. Car begins with what sound? K. So the answer is inside. Inside begins with E. Very good, boys. Put your hands together for yourselves. Now we are going to look at how we go about writing the letter that says E. The letter that says E. So here we have the uppercase letter and we have the lowercase letter that says E. What sound? E. Very good. We begin with the uppercase letter. First, you start from the top line and you draw a line to the bottom line. Then you go back to the top and draw a line across. Go to the bottom and draw a straight line across. Let's try that again. Look very carefully, boys. From the top line to the bottom line, you draw a straight line. You go back to the top line and you draw a straight line across. Go to the bottom line and draw a line across. Very good. Now you try it. Top line to bottom line. You go to the top, draw a line across, and to the bottom, and you draw a line across. Let's move on to the lowercase letter that says E. You begin in the middle and you draw a line to the bottom line. You go to the top and you put a dot above the line. Again, in the middle, we go down to the bottom line. We go to the top of the line and we draw a dot. Now you try it. Middle to the bottom line, go back to the top of the line and we draw a dot. Very good, boys. So this is the uppercase and the lowercase E. Excellent. Let us end our lesson by singing the song for the sound E. What sound? E. Very good. I would like to hear everyone singing this time. Are we ready, boys? Okay. Again. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink on the mat. The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. So boys, our sound for today was E. Our sound for today was E. Very good, boys.
Remember, boys, stay tuned. See you soon. Bye, boys.